594 heavy contact, Lakenheath Tower 137.1.
We can't, we're VHF only. Minute 594, you can remain this Ringfield Park. It'll be a right-hand turn at the end. You're following me, the white truck with yellow flashes on top. We'll stay with you, and we do have the follow me inside, camper 594. Okay, 594, heavy router or taxi to follow, correction, taxi to park via the follow me. Field.
Park via follow me, camper 594.
Foxtrot, additional traffic, 12 o'clock, 8 miles, type unknown, altitude indicates 1,800, should be turning into Cambridge.
Trend 11 out of 13 for 100, looking for ILS in trail 4 ship.
Trend 11, looking to approach traffic service, descend and maintain flight level 60, expect a HAZRAM for the ILS.
Okay, well 60, expect a HAZRAM for the ILS, request vectors initial for vectors to ILS final table.
Trend 11, fly heading 360, vectors for your descent.
Trend 1 360, down to flight level 6,000. Trend 15, checking in level 160.
Trend runway 24.
6,000 cleared ILS, Yankee, runway 24.
Blue 62 and Blue 64, expect extended vectors.
Blue 62 Datterman maneuver.
Roger.
All's gear down, full south 24.
Trend 11, runway 24, wind at 3105, clear land, use caution for small black birds moving south-northeast approaching 24, low level.
Trend 11, clear land 24.
010 direct, Tasman now, Blue 62.
Blue 64, continue descent to flight level 60. Number 594 heavy, continue climb to flight level 150. Number 594 heavy, you can contact terminal control 121.225.
Follow me, services.
Trend 11, copy left enter.
Trend 15, final approach 6, gear down, full stop, runway 24. Trend 15, we're runway 24 with 3104, clear land. Trend 15, clear to land, runway 24. Trend 15, we have pretty significant bird activity, concentrated in the midfield to the approach and low level, moving south to north. Trend 15.
60 your left, whatever you got.
Blue 62 heavy, right 360 is approved.
Okay, right 360, Blue 60.
Trend 16, roger.
Six 4 heavy correction, maintain flight level 80.
That's taxi to park.
Trend 11, technique ground, taxi park, Sierra, follow me truck and route. Control 1. Or taxi to park to follow the turn 1-1 formation. Go 5, making ground taxi park UCS. Turn 1-5. Turn 1-5, check off. 2. Trend, check off. 2. 3. 5. 6. Lightning go up. Trend is on the ground with code.
6-2 heavy contact Mildenhall Tower. Have a good weekend.
Code. Those bastard ops in the air. Listen up.
Traffic, CV22, 7 mile final. Tower, bus 43 is cleared down, I'll be requesting the same thing. Bus 43, roger, your hover delay is approved, and bus 42, your hover delay is approved. Bus 42, runway 29, wind calm, clear to land. Bus 42, clear to land, runway 29, wind calm, please. Roger. Bus 42,
Roger, contact ground, have a good one.